Hello guys and welcome back. So in the previous video, as I told you that we will be fixing the issue with the crosshair, so I've decided that we will do that in the upcoming videos. Okay, for now just leave it. So if you click on the crosshair canvas, just simply disable it from here, and then in the rifle script just comment these two lines. Okay, that is it. Then if you click on the player model in here, if you click on the animations, we have this bazooka animation. So now from this video onwards we will be working on the bazooka. Okay, so this is the animation for the bazooka, or you can say launcher. And then if we click on this player model again, in here you will find this rifles folder, in which you will find the bazooka or launcher right here. Okay, so now let's fix the animation for the launcher. So if you open up the bazooka folder right here, select all of these animations, change their animation type to humanoid, and the avatar definition will be created from this model. Click apply. Okay, then if you click on their animation, now as you can see the player is able to play these animations. Okay, so with the animation set up, now let's open up the player controller. Okay, in here, just as we did for the rifle, right here we will create a substrate machine for our bazooka as well. Let's create the parameters. Let's name this as bazooka active. Then after this, create another bool by the name of bazooka aim. Then the next one will be bazooka shooting. Then after this, the next one will be bazooka attack. Actually we have created the bazooka shooting, so let's remove the attack from the end and let's change this into reload bazooka. That will be it. Then let's move this a little bit up there, and right here we will create a new substrate machine. Let's name this as bazooka. Let's go in here, move these states right there. Okay, then in the player model, let's go inside animation, open up the bazooka animation, and now let's try to animate the player. So first of all we will create a new blend tree by the name of bazooka locomotions. Okay, and if we go in here, click on this blend tree, then add 3 motion fields like this, and then let's add the animation to it. So if we find the idle hold bazooka, okay, let's add the idle first of all. Then we need the walking, which is this one. So let's drag and drop the walking. Then we need the run forward. Okay, so drag and drop the run forward in there. That is it. And if we get back right here, we have the bazooka locomotions. Okay, then let's create another blend tree for the aiming locomotion. So we will name this as bazooka aim, and in here let's now add the animations. So this is the idle aim bazooka. Let's click on it, and first of all we need to create the motion fields. Okay, then add the idle. Then after the idle we need to add the walking. So this one is the walking. Let's add that. Then after the walking we need the running. So this will be the running. That is it. So now we have the locomotions and the aim locomotions. Then we need the shooting animation as well. So if we click on this idle aim bazooka, okay, this will be our shooting animation. So right here, let's change its name to shooting. Okay, then let's add the reload. So this is the reload, and for this reload make sure that you change the speed to 2, and that will be it.